Do you see a video just like this? So this is by a channel that is known as Animal Wise. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that if you want to get into the cat niche, you can do that. Okay, so the first thing is we can see this video that is we can see. So basically, this is a relaxing music channel that this is been going good. So you can see whenever you come into Social Blade, you will be able to see that almost $5,000 to $6,000 this channel is producing. So do you want to know how you can actually make a channel just like this? You basically need to do very simple easy steps. You see, mostly we go on to internet, and after that we watch some awesome channels that we love channels just like this kitty is looking at this. So what we need to do basically is to make a channel just like this. We need some real easy steps. I am going to be sharing with you some real easy step by step way so that you can also do the same thing. So the first thing is we need to go on to Google. So whenever we come into Google, we need to click up here as something that is known as linked. Okay, so I know the name is something like this, so we need to choose linked pricing. So whenever we choose up here, you can see this is the company that we are talking about. So what is going to be happening up here is that this is being used by professionals. Okay, so if you are a creator, you can actually use unlimited 100k royalty free tracks. You get 14-day free trial, and you can go on to the things. I've given a link in the description so that you get it real easily. So now you can actually see that you can actually use it 100% free, that is 100% royalty free. Whenever you pay a monthly subscription of this, and after that you will be able to use it forever. Now you do not have to pay any extra for it, so you get all the licenses and mainstream tracks basically, and there were going to be no copyright claims. So this is used by professionals. Thus I am just saying you are going to be getting all the awesome music that actually professionals use. You can use David Guetta music, so you can easily understand that this is going on another level. So you can actually see onto this, and you can actually download the videos real easily. Now the next thing is to go on to Google, and after that whenever you go on to Google, you need to write pixels. Okay, it's Pexels. You need to write pixels, and after that whenever you come on to pixels, you need to find something that is really interesting. Okay, so the thing that is, you need to come in here to write CATS. Okay, CATS. Why? Because it's a cat music. Just think about it. Right now what you need is some videos. So you need to collect some videos, and you don't want that are going to be playing as verticals, right? So you need to come into filters, click on filters, and click on to the orientation. Whenever you come onto the orientation, you need to choose the horizontal button. Okay, so you need to choose the horizontal option, or you can choose the vertical and square, but I would not recommend it. I would always recommend the horizontal option. Click on here. After that, whenever it is done, think about it like this, that you are going to be getting all these amazing options. Now do not click on to these ones because these are sponsored videos. You need to pay money. Okay, so you are going to be getting all these images for free. Okay, so you can see this image is for free, and you can use this one. You simply need to download, so you need to click on here, and it is going to be getting downloaded. Okay, so now let's make a whiteboard for us. Okay, so we can actually use a whiteboard so that we can easily understand this in a real easy way. So whenever we come in here, we will be able to understand this, that we can actually start a whiteboard just like this. Now what are the things that are required to make a video just like this? To make a video just like this, you need some funny images and videos, and after that you will be able to make videos just like this. Now our whiteboard is ready, almost it is pretty much ready, so let it do its work. And right now we can see this, that there are some images also like this. So if we skip, we can see that they have done a repetitious, that means they have repeated the same thing, but it's absolutely okay. So this cat is yawning and looking so beautiful. So, and after that, when our whiteboard is ready, we can choose some options that we prefer. And right now we have got some options like what? To make a video like this, okay, to make a video like this, we need something. The first thing is a video, okay, so we need a video and we need a audio, okay, so we need some audio. So our video, we are getting our video from pixels, so we are getting our audio from linked, okay, so we are using our video from linked, and that is how we are using it. So right now we need to join this up so that we get a video just like this. But do not, never should you copy it, okay, never just download and copy paste the thing. Copy pasting, no, no, never. Otherwise you're not going to be making money, you're not going to be getting views, your channel is going to be getting destroyed within few months, and that is not right. Okay, so you need to actually compile all of this, and you can do it using a thing that is known as a software. Okay, so software is very much important, and for this we are going to be using a software that we can actually use. Okay, so the thing that we will be using is a really amazing software that is known as OpenShot. Okay, so this is known as OpenShot. So you can use a OpenShot, that is a free video editor and open source that you can use. Okay, so after that you do not have to do basic things. You just need to, you can do very much fun stuff like cross-platform trim and slice animations, unlimited tracks, some video effects, 3D animation, and you can use a title editor and many things. So basically what is going to be happening is that you can use all of this, and after that whenever you download it, you can right now go up here, and right now you can actually download the video and you can take it onto a track. So you put the track like this, which will be a video one. Okay, so this will be the video one, and this is the audio. Okay, so this is the audio version, and everything is ready. And after that, whenever you make this, you get exactly same thing, and you can make money just like this. You can see this channel is making like $70,000 onto the higher end, and this channel is actually making some great amount of money, to be true. Now what to do after that? Whenever you have a video just ready like this, you need to simply upload. Okay, so now you need to actually upload onto YT, that is on YouTube, and after that you simply need to put some awesome titles, some descriptions, and after that your video is ready. If you want to use tags, you can use it, and after that you need to put a thumbnail. How you are going to be getting a thumbnail, that is pretty much interesting. So you can click on to photos, and after that you are going to be getting these awesome things, I mean these awesome videos, and after that you get the images. So this looks pretty awesome, this looks pretty awesome, this thing looks pretty awesome, right? So this is just amazing. So this thing is completely for free for you. Okay, so right now you can use this thing, and after that whenever you compile the whole thing up, your videos are going to be getting some growth. Okay, now you need to put, I mean you need to make a batch of, like for example right now it's November, and you need to put it at least, if you want to put like 3 times in a week, you should be making at least 12 videos ready, and after that you start uploading. Okay, so after that you start uploading, so you have a complete batch of 12 videos uploading thrice in a week, and you are going to be having the exact same result that you actually deserve whenever you do the thing the correct way. If you have any questions, you can go on to the comment section, and after that you can actually tell it to me. I'm going to be helping you to solve the problems that you are actually facing right now.